Sarah. And this
is Ashley.
We're about to be retards, all because of
me.
Now, about a year ago, one night, Ashley spent the night at my place. And she'd never had pancakes in a pan before. You know?
I just didn't.
Like on this thing, a stove. She never made pancakes on this before. So when I pulled out this, she thought I was crazy.
I just had Eggos. So,
you know, the pancakes that you put in a freaking toaster? Those are not pancakes, boo. Okay. So, she had this crazy idea.
Yeah, crazy.
Why don't we throw pancake batter in a toaster? And it took forever for me to find a freaking toaster.
And we finally found one, thank God.
Thank you to Andrew, who was not here because he's at work, making money for more toasters. Not really.
Cha-ching.
Anyways, so this is stage 1 of our 2, maybe 3 stage toaster pancake experiment / kaboom. There possibly might be fire. Kids, don't try this at home.
Seriously, don't.
Okay. So, with the directions, I need a cup of pancake mix. Okay. Fuck it. By the way, I'm using 2 different pancake mixes. I don't know how well this is gonna work. Cup. 1 cup. 1. Okay. Kaboom! Okay. Now I need make it look pretty. You know, when you put a hole in it. Yep. Stay, you fucking batter. Gonna put the egg in it. Ugh.
Move your head, move your head. Ah, look at that egg.
Okay, my lovely assistant, throw this in the garbage. Cat
Go
on the
into
stove.
the garbage, move into the garbage.
Okay. Now, a cup of water.
Yeah, that was the garbage.
A cup. That's what a cup of water looks like. Okay. Now, we squish the egg because it's fun. We slowly pour in some water. And we mix.
Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh.
Ah, la da da. Like I said, I don't know how well this is going to work.
More water.
Get my cat.
Brush, brush, brush.
That thumpy noise you just heard was my kitten. We threw her off the stove.
No harm done.
Even look.
Kitty.
Hi, Tigress. Anyway, more water. That's all the water.
Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh.
Stirring, I'm stirring, pancake batter. It's a musical experience. La-di-da, la-di-da. And now we're gonna add butter because it's dangerous. Because it's oily. And we're hoping for fire.
Fire. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh.
And, ladies and gentlemen, if you've been like Ashley your whole life and
That's me.
never made pancake batter before, that is how you make pancake batter. Word. End of part 1.